Everyone. It is Wednesday, the 15th of January, and this is English 5C here at KIT Iizuka. This is class number, class number 13. So we're almost finished. Okay. We have basically two more classes today and next week, and then we have the test. As always, February 5th is an option class, and unless there's a problem, there's a lot of snow on the test day or something like that, we won't have to use that option class. If we do have to use that option class, I'll put all of that information on the Moodle. But right now, your final conversation test is on the 29th. Next week is our last chance to practice. And today, here is what we're going to be doing. So December 18th, I gave you this cruise semester survey. And it turns out that no one yet has actually answered these questions. So I want you to do this survey, and I'll give you time today while I'm talking to the other students who have not yet given me their partner name and student submission number. Okay, so as I take care of those students, the ones who have already given me their partner name, I want you to do this cruise semester survey. It's basically the same thing that you had in the first semester. I just want to get your opinions on the class as it's gone through this whole semester. So if you haven't done that yet, it's only 2 questions. It's all in Japanese. You can answer in Japanese. I just need that to help me always try to make the class better. Today's warm-up is the Quizlet material. Okay, that'll be WIJ 14C. This will be the last Quizlet material that we'll have. Our last warming up next week will be shadowing. And you have your last homework, okay? Homework submission number 9 and your reflection number 13 on vaccinations, okay? There isn't a whole lot to do this week, so I'll just warn you, make sure that you have finished all of your assignments. Make sure that there aren't any unfinished assignments that you haven't done yet. Maybe you might not be able to get top marks for those assignments, but still do them, and you can get something, which is always better than nothing. Please make sure that you finish all of your assignments. Okay, so I'm going to finish up this English explanation in just a minute, but what I want to do is get to the people who haven't done their partner name and student number. So if you're one of the students on this list, please come and talk to me, and we'll try to get you onto the system. Okay, thanks very much, everyone. We'll talk to you next week.